rooster. I'm so scared of Mercy.
I need you to go inside.
How am I gonna go inside? No, I don't want to get chased after. I am super scared of roosters. This is my new fear, roosters. Why is it blurry? Okay, Mercy. Mercy, what are we gonna do? Scar! Kitty! Scar!
Shh, Gilbert.
Okay. Okay, the rooster is right there. Mercy, the rooster's right there.
It won't close anymore.
Push. If I...
No, it won't anymore. Look, it don't fit. Look, Drake, it don't fit.
Hurry! Hurry, it's getting closer!
Ow!
I'm so scared now. Let's zoom in. Mercy! Oh, there it is. Mercy, I scare it and then I run off, okay?
No.
Why? I'm so... No, Mercy! Don't throw nothing at it. Mercy, don't do nothing. We need Scar. I have a rake. Can we go just get the axe and kill it? Mercy, what are you doing? Cats!
Move, move. Are we really out here playing with the chicken?
Yes. Come on, let's keep on doing it. Roosters. This is a killer rooster. I wanna go very close to it, Mercy. Here, hold this.
No.
I wanna get close to it.
No, it's leaving. It's leaving. Let it leave.
I'm gonna get behind the plant.
No, Gilbert, come on.
No, Mercy.
Gilbert, come here.
I wanna get super close.
No.
Come on!
No, there could be ants.
If there's ants, it's okay.
Got it, baby?
No!
Where is it?
It's right there.
Watch before it comes after you.
I'm gonna be ready to run.
Okay, come on, baby. Come on.
I want to take a picture of it.
Come on, but then we gotta come back out and fix the bed.
It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!